Galaxy S26 owners can now test drive One UI 9 build, which are built on Android 17. Welcome to GadInsider, your place for the latest tech news. One UI 9 has got new features, including a quick panel redesign and creative options for Samsung Notes, but it's the accessibility features that are shining. One UI 9 beta is bringing something that folks who rely on external keyboards will appreciate: the ability to adjust the mouse key speed. There's also a new feature called Text Spotlight that lets you zoom and clarify selected text inside a floating window, and TalkBack, Samsung's screen reader with text-to-speech tech. There's also a neat new security feature that can help you to avoid installing malicious apps. The software can detect high-risk apps, warn you about them, and block their installation. Though the rest of One UI 9's features are a bit boring, among them is a new quick panel layout. The panel's brightness, sound, and media player controls are now independently adjustable, and it has more sizing options. Samsung Notes also gets new decorative digital tapes and more penline styles, and the Contacts app now integrates with Creative Studio, so you can make personalized profile cards without switching apps. However, this feature list is underwhelming because Samsung's saving new advanced AI features for the final version. The company says One UI 9's final release will arrive on upcoming Galaxy flagship devices later this year. The One UI 9 beta will start rolling out to Galaxy S26 owners this week, and you can register for it in the Samsung Members app. The program is only available in selected markets, including the US, UK, Germany, India, Poland, and Korea. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.